Welcome back to Konkan Food Trails. Today we are making Batate phodi or potato phodi. Take a medium sized potato and peel it like so. Wash this potato thoroughly. Evenly slice this potato. Make sure the pieces are not too thick or too thin either. As you can see, the potato is not too thin. Transfer this to a bowl. We will marinate the potatoes with half a teaspoon salt, mix it nicely and set this aside for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare masala paste. To a bowl, add 3 teaspoon Maggi or Kashmiri chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon cumin powder and 1/4 teaspoon hing. Also 1/4 teaspoon tamarind paste. Mix well. To this add 1 teaspoon water at a time. Totally I have added 5 teaspoon of water. We need the masala paste to be thick, so add water as required only. To this add half a teaspoon salt. Remember we have also added the salt for the marination. Salt pulls water out of the potato, so discard this excess water. To this add masala paste as required. I have used 2 to 3 teaspoons of masala paste. Give it a good mix. The leftover masala can be stored in the fridge for up to 1 week. For a spicier version, please feel free to add all the masala in. Let's prepare the coating for the podis. To a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of unroasted upma or Bombay rava. Add 1 tablespoon besan and mix it thoroughly. Besan helps to bind the rava with the podis. Heat a pan over medium heat. To this add 2 teaspoon oil and spread it evenly. Use any oil of your choice. Pan is nice and hot. Roll potato slices in the rava. Make sure to coat it evenly and then place it on the pan. Repeat the process for all the potato slices. Add 2 teaspoons of oil and cook it for at least 3 to 4 minutes on one side. Gently flip the podis and fry it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat, or cook until you see dark spots on both the sides. Use a knife to check if the podis are cooked through completely. There you go, podis are ready to serve. Enjoy it with hot steaming rice as a side dish. Thank you for watching.